Welcome back, I'm Tedward, and today we're at Daytona driving an Acura NSX Type S. They're only making 350 of these. It's gonna be a very rare car. 300 are coming to America. It's a little bit faster than the standard NSX because it has 600 horsepower from the extra boost added by turbos from the GT3 car. Kind of incredible. It's a little bit lighter by about 58 pounds. It's got better aero, a really cool diffuser, and all kinds of funky stuff. It looks fantastic. But I just can't believe where we're driving, because not only are we at Daytona, tomorrow is the 24 hours of Daytona, the Rolex 24. Very incredible stuff. We've been here with Acura. I just could not be in a better mood right now. This is very exciting stuff. We got radios so they can talk to us. We can't talk to them, or we're not talking to them, but that's fine. We're gonna do some lead follow laps. I hope everything goes well here. We're gonna have some fun. Sorry, he's not gonna be on the radio. We're doing 100 miles an hour. This is a fast car. This has a lot of power. I definitely feel more torque over the standard NSX. button check. What a ridiculous car to put me in for the first time at Daytona. This is a big boy track, guys. Sometimes on these lead follow laps, you know, you go to the Porsche Experience Center or something, and you feel like you're really missing out because you don't get to go as fast as you want to go. But this is just crazy. I'm fine keeping it below, you know, I'm fine at 6/10 here. This is plenty. This is fun. This is crazy. Doing it at night. Going into pit lane, guys. I mean, look, I know this isn't like the craziest review in the world, and track drives usually don't do incredibly well on the YouTubes, but I'm just so excited. I mean, I can't believe I just get to drive Daytona during this weekend. This is amazing. I mean, oh, thank you, Acura. Thank you, the Topher. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, wow.